Hi everybody, in this tutorial I'll be showing you the procedure to enable dark mode in Netflix. So in order to enable dark mode in Netflix, you need to follow these steps. So what here you need to do is now understand that Netflix does not have a dark mode. You could toggle on within the app itself for overall interface. However, you could adjust brightness settings for content or on your mobile device by tapping on the screen during a playback to reveal the brightness slider, and many TVs offer a Netflix calibrated mode or picture mode like cinema to reduce screen brightness from a darker viewing experiences as well. So all you need to do is play any show or a movie on Netflix first thing, then tap on the screen to display the playback control. Next, you want to look for the brightness slider that is usually on the left side of the screen. Then slide it up to down to adjust the brightness. That is, this settings is not available when watching on a web browser or TV display. And that is how you'll be able to enable dark mode on Netflix. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.